is sick. We're pretty sure this is his first cold. Well, not pretty sure. This is definitely his first cold. He has had a runny nose for the last few days, but generally he's been his normal self. Last night, it, for the first time, actually affected his sleep. So last night was rough, to say the least. Ro and I have been up since a little after 5, so still not awful, but he was up many times last night, so this lady is tuckered out. And it is now 6:48, bright and early on Monday morning, and we are getting our day started, aren't we? Yes, what am I doing? You want to be a part of it, I know. So, yes, hi there, hello, and welcome back to the vlog. Are we gonna have a good day? That's to be determined. Already getting so dark in the mornings, like 7:22, and it's still so dark outside. Winter. I feel like winter's gonna be here before we know it, way before I'm ready for it this year. But that's okay. That's okay. Hi, kid. How you doing? Yeah. I just finished doing a bunch of dishes. Not a bunch. Our new dishwasher finally was installed yesterday. We still have the blue protective film on it, which will come off today at some point. But I just did the few that we had from last night by hand, and it's nice. So Sean and I officially made the living room like a safe space. Hi, sweetheart. A safe space for Ro, so I can, you know, be in here doing dishes, and he can be in here kind of left to his own devices, and it's pretty much safe for him. He doesn't really get into anything. Everything below like hip height for me is safe for him if he gets into it. So yeah, that's been really nice because we don't have an open concept home, so making the living room a totally safe space for him has been kind of life-changing. It just allows us to get a lot more done, and it's actually made him great at independent play for the most part. Today we need a little extra love because we're not feeling good, and that's okay. But I thought while I am sitting here with Ro for the next little bit, I would chat a little bit about what is on the docket for today. Basically, even though this morning was rough and I am borderline exhausted, I'm actually really excited that it is a Monday morning, the start of a fresh week, because I am excited to start on a bit of a personal fitness journey. Ro is 11 and a half. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Ro is 11 and a half months. He's so close to being a year old, which is mind-blowing. Whole other discussion. But I'm physically finally feeling ready to kind of start doing more intense workouts. I had my check-in with my physiotherapist almost a month ago now, and she has been following along with my ab separation, and we've been working on healing it, and she said it's pretty much done healing. Like I've been doing lots of diastasis recti exercises for like the past 6 months. It takes a long time, and those exercises really feel like you're not doing anything, but I guess they are, because she said it's improved a heck of a lot, and that means that I am ready to start doing more intense core workouts, which I'm super excited about. But it means that, yeah, I'm just gonna start doing more intense workouts overall, like full body workouts. So I'm really excited about that. So I've decided just to kind of start focusing on that more starting today. I'm also going to be starting to eat in a bit of a calorie deficit. Nothing extreme. I'm not like drastically cutting calories. I'm just kind of going to be more mindful of what I'm eating just eating a little bit less, paying attention to portion control because I'm real bad at that, and making sure that whatever I do eat is like as full of the good stuff that my body needs as possible. So yeah, that is today. I'm excited. I'm going to use his first nap to get my workout in. I feel like that is the best time for me to squeeze in a workout, during that first nap of the day, because he normally naps from 9:30 to about 11 a.m. So if he has a solid nap, I should be able to get a good workout in. Yeah, so this week I'm going to try a different type of workout every day of the week, I think, because I want to find something that I enjoy, and I just don't know. What do we think? And I just don't know what that is yet. So yeah, I'm excited to figure that out. But yes, I am someone who does not enjoy exercise. It's super hard for me to motivate myself to get going. When I do have the time and energy to work out, I am real good at finding literally anything else to do. So I saw this quote online a while ago, and it was along the lines of working out is, or the ability to exercise is a blessing, not to view it as a chore, to be grateful that your body, yeah, so to look at it as more of a blessing, not a chore, to be grateful that my body is physically capable of exercise, and oh, here he comes. And that is what I am, yeah, that's just what I'm trying to do. So I feel like I need to maybe write that on a post-it note and stick it on the fridge. Maybe that would help if I saw it every day. Maybe I'll try that. I gotta go see what's going on in here. Okay, this is going to be Ro's breakfast. So I cooked up some egg just with a little bit of coconut oil and parsley, and I just, you know, cut it into pieces for him so it's easier for him to pick up. I'm going to give him half a banana. Sometimes he'll eat a whole one, but I think because he's sick today, he'll only eat half of one. I have some oatmeal with chia seeds and cinnamon in there, and I'm just going to put a little bit of formula in when he's ready to eat. I'm just waiting for the eggs to cool down. This is the oatmeal we're currently using, and he seems to really enjoy it. Once I finish this bag though, I think I'm going to switch over to steel cut oats, which take a heck of a lot longer to cook, but they're just full of good stuff. So I think that's what I will do. But yeah, for now that works pretty well. This kid has discovered the kitchen. Anytime I leave the gate open, he beelines for the kitchen. He loves it in here. So much to explore. So while Ro is eating here, I am going to have a hard-boiled egg, I think. Yes, I have 2 here. And then I don't think he'll eat the other half of this banana. He doesn't seem too into it, so I'm going to use this half of a banana and make myself a smoothie, and that will be breakfast. Okay, the child is asleep. I am just bringing down some diapers to restock our changing station down here, and Sean is downstairs working now, and I am gonna do my workout. Normally I would work out downstairs, but he's on a meeting and I can hear him talking downstairs, which means he's wandering through the basement while on a call on his headset. So as not to disturb him, I think I'm gonna work out in the living room. Yes, so I'm gonna quickly tidy up in here. It's not super messy. quick 10-minute tidy, and the living room is looking back in one piece. He'll destroy this again in about 2 hours, but I like to kind of reset the space during his naps. And when he's a little older, we'll obviously start teaching him to help with the pickup of the toys. But this feels great. I can relax and do a little bit of work and fit in my workout. And I quickly cleaned up his little area here. This from breakfast, this $20 desk chair mat is probably one of the best decisions we made in the kitchen for under his high chair. It makes cleanup so easy. I almost wish I had like a bigger square one, which we might do, because it would be nice to like totally make this whole area wipeable. But yeah, some might say just get rid of the rug, but this LVT, is it LVT? Luxury vinyl tile is actually quite delicate, so if we don't have a rug under the chairs will scratch the floor, which is a huge bummer. So we're keeping the rug. This kind of saves it from the baby mess. I decided to do a quick 7-minute workout. I've been reading up a lot on like the 7-minute total body workouts and like the 10 and 15-minute versions, and I thought I would give it a try because 7 minutes, very, very doable. And I feel like if I can do 7 minutes a day plus something else, like my walks with Ro out in the stroller a few times a day, then I feel like I might be good. So I tried this one. It's from Fitness Blender. It's the body weight only total body workout, and it's truly only 7 minutes. So I'm out of breath, which makes me a little sad because it was only 7 minutes. I'm looking a little bit like a tomato, and I'm sweating, and I didn't think I would sweat, so I didn't change my shirt, so I have to go change, I think. But yeah, happy I squeezed it in, and because it was only like 10 minutes, I am now able to hop into some work. I have set up my laptop at the kitchen table. I love working here because the kitchen has such pretty light out that front window. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a big glass of ice water and do a little bit of work. So I picked up these Tetley cold infusions just to flavor my cold water in an attempt to cut the soda and juice, which I'm a huge sucker for. I tried one yesterday. They're good. They're just okay. I do prefer them over Crystal Light packages, which I do have a few of those as well. But honestly, like, I feel like these are a waste of money now that I've tried them. It's almost the same as just putting in a normal tea bag into your jug of water. So just my opinion, but I will finish them because I have them. Okay, it is 4:33 in the afternoon, and I am just trying to whip up a quick dinner. I kind of let the afternoon get away from me. I napped while Ro napped during his second nap, so I'm just looking a little disheveled, back in sweatpants, but feeling very comfy cozy. But I just want to make something super speedy for dinner. So I think what I'm gonna do is chicken and rice. I have an avocado, so I'm gonna do my white corn and black bean salsa chicken, which sounds fancier than it is. I literally take a chicken breast and I bake it covered in white corn and black bean salsa. It's just the quickest meal. It's super, super yummy, and paired with rice and some avocado, and then what else? Probably with some steamed broccoli, frozen broccoli, because that's what we have. And I think that is what I'm gonna make for dinner. Should be good, should be fast. That's what I'm into today.